Welcome back. This is Seeking Vegas Sunrise, and this is our first time ever staying downtown on Fremont Street. When you check in at Circa, you're greeted by the wonderful staff who are super friendly and get you checked into your room quickly. The elevators are absolutely beautiful. They're new, they go straight to your floor, they're blue and gold. The hallways are super quiet at Circa. And the room is absolutely beautiful. So you have a light up mirror when you walk in to your left. The bathroom is one of the best parts of this room. The wallpaper is so cool. You get 2 vanity sinks, a makeup area with a stool and a light up mirror. Really cool hardware. Toilet area. Definitely love the decor at Circa. And the shower is wonderful. It's got really great shower pressure. You have full-size products inside the shower: body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Inside the room, you have a closet with a luggage rack, place to hang your things. On the other side, you have a safe, some shelves, a steamer. There's a fridge in the room. Nice desk area. You can order Saginaw straight to your room. TV. We had 2 beds in this room, which was really nice. We had a napping bed and a sleeping bed. Cool thermostat. Mirrors. A control panel so that you can adjust the lighting from bed. A tablet. Nice chair. Really cool artwork with Vegas Vicky. And we had a view of the plaza and stadium swim, the pool at Circa. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and definitely highly recommend staying at Circa.